What's going on, guys? KRS back with another video. Today in this video I'm going to talk you about the Intel CES 2022. So there were lots of great announcements by the Intel. For more details, let's check it out. Announcement start by the Intel was of the 12th generation series. This series is based on x86 architecture, and for the first time Intel is going with the hybrid design. So you will get two featuring cores which are for efficiency and performance. In 12th generation series they announced K5 series for the desktop processors. This very powerful series tell by the Intel you will get 5 GHz multi-core performance inside it, and up to 5.5 single core turbo boost frequency performance is also available. The shipping will be of end of the quarter of this series. Then after in 12th generation H series was announced, hybrid architecture laptop design series. We can say this name hybrid architecture is the main. They told that this is the world best gaming processor, and you will also get up to 14 cores inside it, which is a very great thing, and 40% faster from the previous generation. In 12th generation Intel also talk about the P series. P series is focused for the thin and lightweighted laptops. This will help you to give you enthusiastic performance twice faster than previous generation, means 11th generation. You'll get 350 compatible designs in this laptop series, because thin laptops are getting more popular nowadays and are much more in demand. Also, the company like Acer, Lenovo, Dell and HP will also enter in this segment of the theme. They are enter, but with the more power and more new Intel power, they will get more benefit and more FPS in this type of P series. They told us that for more details, they will also launch one another event which will come in July, and they named the next generation code name which is a Raptor Lake, which will come in the later 2022. About the Intel Evo platform, it was a very successful by the Intel, and many laptops acquired this Intel Evo. It was this much successful that they have launched the third generation. This will include the certain things like Wi-Fi 6E. You will also get the Intel connectivity performance suite and dynamic background noise cancellation suppressor. This will also include the two certain things. In additional, if you are getting the more performance, it will include the 12th generation H series, which I explained you in the upper part, and also includes the GPU of the Intel, which is Intel Arc. Evo comes with more fascinating features and more features which are needed in this life. You can easily connect your device with the laptop and use the certain kind of features like messaging from the laptop. So it will be very easy not to go through your phone if it is connected to the laptop. These features will come in the Evo in 2022 holidays. Also, for more powerful and more processing things and more clear FPS, Intel announced Intel Deep Link, which is a very successful feature and needed in the 2022. First is dynamic power sharing. This will include and combine the performance and the graphic together, and this will work as per the conditions and as per the need for the user. If you want more performance, then the graphic will automatically compromise, and when the performance is needed graphic will decrease, and when graphics is needed performance it decreases. So this will work alternately and will useful in certain things like creating a content or gaming purpose. Next, part 2 or number 2 is creating. It will help you to unavailable the hyper encoding system, and with the AI it will help you in editing sync. In gaming sector, the main issue is of the battery life. So with the deep link, you'll get the better boost in battery life, and with the low and there is also one thing, mobility will also available in your game to play better gaming, better friends. The experience will be also great. The last is streaming. In streaming, many people are getting lacking in frames, so the performance of the previous one will be boosted over here in this, and you will get better streaming performance. Talking about the hyper encoding, when it is on, it will boost your video editing speed or rendering speed up to 1.4x. There were some great announcement for the gamers. Kojima Production will launch the 505 game, and the director cuts of this game will be available in spring. Also, there will be certain things including these games like 12th generation. Inside it, you can use these games in the 12 generations, and upscaling image and certain more features will be included in this. Talking about the powerful GPU by the Intel told is Intel Arc will become in Q1 2022, means very soon. Q1 has started. Talking about the car things, they are going to include the chips name iQOO. It has been included in some of the car, but with the better performance and better quality included in this chip will insert in some of the cars. So the self-driving car thing will be very much easier. Intel, the announcement has been completed. This was all about the CES 2022 announcement by the Intel. There were some pretty great announcement by the Intel, and the boost in the performance 11 to 12 generation will be exceptional over here. Let us see how much this power and these things can deliver to our laptops. Hopefully you like this video. CES is continuing and will be continue with some of the other companies. For more details, you have to like this video, subscribe, and press all bell notifications so you never miss any other update. Coming soon with another video.